lot of work into get the body parts to this point. Here they are, jammed out, which is nice. It's a great color. Obviously this is the underneath part of the hood. Just real neat to see. Hardtop sides all painted out, again in really spectacular condition. Obviously right there underneath where the hardtop sits on the quarter panel is also extremely well done as far as caulking, weather stripping, and paint. Then down here we have our front fenders, which have been done as well. Front fender is kind of a neat thing. It's a series of really three big parts. This section here would be one, intersection there of the fender well, two, and the support back bracket, three. They do weld on a few things like these. That right there is a triangular plate reinforcement for a charcoal canister for the evap system emissions, and this is also a bracket for front turn signal that goes on the front fender there. So, and they do weld in a few other things, like some bolts are welded in at the factory, holes drilled. But there's nothing like a nice stock steel front fender painted up, installed on a Land Cruiser. That those lines, when you flip them over, obviously really look sharp and crisp for a Land Cruiser. So there we are. These parts are all in the paint. We have a number of parts in paint color right now. The biggest thing yet to be done would be the the steel body, and that will be coming in here next week and be shot in paint. And I'd say within a week or so, almost the whole truck will be painted or so. So we're in good shape. A lot of sanding to do on the other side and prep work, but ultimately it will look fantastic.